simplest ChatGPT side hustle nobody talks about. Make money online. Today, we're diving into the art of leveraging ChatGPT and AI technology to turn a tidy profit online. Even if you're a total beginner in 2023, let's uncover a hidden gem in the world of online money making. A side hustle so discreet that it's shocking no one's talking about it. Today, we're shedding light on a foolproof method that utilizes ChatGPT and AI technology, making it a breeze for even the greenest beginners to rake in profits for 2024. Start your journey at Kindle.com, a powerhouse of graphic design armed with hundreds of thousands of customizable templates. Traditionally, these templates demanded a touch of graphic design wizardry. But here's the kicker. Now anyone can wield them with ease and turn a tidy profit. The beauty of Kindle lies not only in its extensive template library, but in the integration of AI technology, adding an extra layer of finesse to your designs. Your first move? Open an account at Kindle.com and hit New Project to kickstart your creative endeavor. Before diving into the money-making part, hop over to ChatGPT. Sign up for a free account and put it to work by seeking the best books in your preferred genre, be it romance, business, or any other niche. No need to read these gems yourself. We're turning them into gold online. Now, here's where the magic begins. Check if the books ChatGPT recommended are available in Audible, the audiobook platform under Amazon Swing. Aha! The first one, courtesy of Jane Austen, is an Audible treat. Explore others, and even if some are a no-go, there's always a jackpot waiting. Copy the title and author, head back to ChatGPT, and ask for a 2,000-word summary of the chosen book. Watch the magic unfold as the ChatGPT weaves an entire article with just a click. Now, let's add a visual twist. Kindle AI, your creative accomplice, turns each paragraph into a unique generated image. Customize, tweak, and download. It's like having a graphic design assistant at your fingertips. Generate images for each paragraph, making the content visually engaging. Next up, Audible's affiliate program. Get paid $5 when someone creates a free account through your referral link. It's a win-win, and there's potential for an extra $10 if they continue paying. Armed with your ChatGPT-generated article, head to Medium.com, a platform attracting over 100 million monthly visitors. Write a compelling book summary, intersperse it with Kindle-generated images, and strategically insert the call to action. Get that book for free here. Make it bold. Insert your Audible affiliate link and watch the dollars roll in. $5 per person to be exact. No hard selling required. Your audience is already interested in the book. Now they discover they can get it for free through your link. It's a simple, no-brainer strategy. Duplicate this process for multiple books. Generate unlimited summaries with ChatGPT. Post consistently on Medium.com and aim for 10 to 20 articles daily for traction, Google ranking, and clicks. This ChatGPT method isn't just theory, it's a proven way to make money online. If you're curious about my personal approach to online success, click the second link in the description box below. For the budget-conscious writer, the abundance of writing applications can prove overwhelming. Understanding the allure of free tools, I've curated a list of some of the best available, simplifying the quest for valuable resources. In this roundup, the focus rests on completely free tools and freemium apps with a forever free plan, robust enough for regular use. While premium plans exist for some options, these cater predominantly to power users, ensuring budget-conscious writers can harness their capabilities to the fullest. The journey through these invaluable free writing apps commences. MindMeister, a brainstorming haven, expanding ideas through mind mapping. Workflowy, ideal for crafting content outlines during brainstorming sessions. Miro, facilitating collaborative brainstorming, enabling a seamless flow of ideas. Ryan Robinson's Keyword Research Tool, tailored for brainstorming a myriad of topics. ChatGPT, a unique tool for ideation, leveraging AI assistance for brainstorming. Your computer's dictation software, perfect for brainstorming aloud, giving voice to thoughts. Notion, a versatile tool for research and note-taking, ensuring organizational efficiency. Unpaywall, a vital resource for locating free copies of paywalled research. O-Transcribe, simplifying research and note-taking by transcribing interviews and videos. Google Forms, efficiently collecting research from diverse sources in a centralized space. Google Docs, a reliable choice for both solo and collaborative writing endeavors. Word Counter, tailored for crafting messages and blurbs with a focus on word count. One Look Reverse Dictionary and Thesaurus, an editing companion, aiding in finding the perfect word. Power Thesaurus, an editing tool facilitating the discovery of the right word in any context. WordTune, ideal for refining and rewording written content during the editing phase. Hemingway Editor, ensures clarity and conciseness, pivotal aspects of the editing process. Co-Schedule Headline Studio, a valuable tool for crafting compelling headlines during editing. Cliché Finder, a specialized editing tool, identifying and eliminating clichés seamlessly. Dejargonizers, an editing assistant designed to identify and eliminate jargon within your text. Espresso, a versatile editing tool for introducing variety in wording and sentence length. GPT-0, a unique editing tool comparing your writing to AI-generated content. Grammarly, a robust proofreading tool adept at catching spelling and grammar mistakes. Pro Writing Aid, tailored for proofreading short-form content, ensuring accuracy. And EasyBib, streamlining the proofreading process, simplifying the creation of MLA citations. Did you know? In the thrilling world of online writing, there's a secret alliance between ChatGPT and Kindle.com, turning average Joes into graphic design maestros. This dynamic duo transforms literary masterpieces into visually arresting designs, all while keeping your wallet happy. So while you're hustling online, remember, creativity meets profitability when ChatGPT and Kindle.com join forces. Happy writing and designing! Armed with this arsenal of writing tools, embark on your writing journey, elevating your craft without depleting your budget. Dive into the exploration. Let these free applications enrich your writing experience and may your words flow effortlessly. Happy writing! Now, here's where the magic happens. Publish these visually stunning articles on Medium.com, a platform visited by over 100 million people each month. Embed your Audible affiliate link strategically, enticing readers with the offer of free books. Make it bold. Make it compelling. Get the book for free here. Your readers sign up. You earn $5 per person. It's a win-win. So why stop at one article? To truly make waves, you've got to flood the scene with content. Aim for at least 10 to 20 articles daily to build traction, climb Google's ranks, and reel in those precious clicks. This ChatGPT method is your ticket to making money online, and we're just scratching the surface. Ready to dive into this profitable side hustle? Learn from experts, explore diverse niches, and join live masterminds. The world of online success awaits. Click, learn, and thrive. Ready to unlock the secrets of profitable online ventures? Dive into the world of digital opportunities with Profitability Plus. Subscribe to our YouTube channel now for exclusive insights, innovative strategies, and the latest trends in making money online. Don't miss out on the next big thing. Hit that subscribe button and join the Profitability Plus community today. Your journey to online success starts here. Subscribe now.